In today's video, we're going to find out if it's worth it to use protection or not on your vehicle. Yeah. First things first, we got to clean up. Still some embedded contamination on this paint, so we're gonna do a little play bar. You guys hear that? Now it's ready to dry and apply the coating. Now we're going to apply the coating. Ready to see what it does? The right side is the coated, the left side is non-coated. Left side's still running off, right side beads off. So, if you'd like to get your vehicle ceramic coated, if I haven't said already, that's what this is called, ceramic coating. This will last 3 to 5 years with this current coating. You can get this done and get protected. Watch again. That is the non-coated, and that is the coated. Watch how it beads up. This just falls off in sheets.